to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, we have our Izzy and Liv brown sugar box for December 2023. We're going to get right into unboxing this baby right here. This box is $42 plus $8.95 shipping and handling plus tax based on where you live at. And this is a black lifestyle box. This box ships monthly. You do have the option to pause it if needed be and restart it based on whenever is good for your personal finances or, you know, lifestyle at that moment. But every month you get a shirt in this box. They have a different theme every month with products associated with that theme. So we're going to get right into what's in this box right here. So let's go. So guys, we do get a little, they used to give us a magazine, but now everything is computerized and we have a QR code, as you guys can see. And the theme of our box is located right here. And our theme is I am here. So that is the theme for the month. So I have our box. On the inside of our little mini magazine, we have what's in our box. We also have the value of our box right here at the top. So this box is valued at $152. Again, the theme is I am here, and it says soulful resilience. So let's get into this box and see what's in here. So guys, I'm going to start out with my favorite part of the December box. Every December, Izzy and Liv will put a calendar in their box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the calendar. But they always have the best illustrations of the artwork. It's just so cool and so dope. You have 12 months of like just dope female pictures in here. I love that so much. This is like one of my favorite things about always getting into December box. I always know I'm gonna have a calendar, and it's always going to be some dope artwork inside of this calendar to ride it out to the end of the year. So that is my favorite part about always picking up the December box. That's like one of the must boxes that I always have to get, is the December box. So sometime I occasionally put my subscription on pause as well, because I might be having too many things come in, or I might need to go somewhere and I don't need as much stuff. So I'll pause my subscription sometime as well. But I always got to get the December box. Without a doubt, I need my calendar. But if you guys have not purchased this box and you do like the calendar, you can go on Izzy and Liv website. They do have the calendar available for sale, along with a lot of other things that you see in our boxes that come monthly. If there's something in particular you want, you can go ahead and check the website. They will let you know if that's available, or if they have the colors. Sometimes the certain colors you want may not be there in that particular item, but most of the time anything that comes in a subscription box can be found online on their website at www.izzyandliv.com. And yes, this is my paid for box. I don't get anything for showing you this, but I just always like to share the information in case you guys are trying to find information about where to get the box, where to get some of the items in the box. That's where you go. Just go online. They're having some great sales due to the after Christmas sales are going on right now. So go ahead and check that out if there's something in these boxes that I've reviewed that you're interested in. So let's go to our next item. So our next item, ooh, guys, we have a eyebrow product here. I mean, we have makeup in this box. I'm so happy. So we have the incredible, or the Incredi brow kit. This is valued at $25, guys, and it says, whether you're a brow connoisseur or new to the game, this kit is designed to help make your brow routine simple, effective, and totally fail-proof. Get your face elevated to the next look with the brows that frame your face and express your style and confidence. I really enjoyed using this, guys, so I did something a little different on this unboxing. Is I'm actually showing you guys this makeup product and how I'm using it. I do use stencils for my brows on a daily basis just because of time. No one has time to waste 30 minutes to do eyebrows. It's just not happening. I am busy. I need my brows to be rolling out like a manufacturer line, and I need to move on with my day if I'm wearing makeup. So I do my brows. I had fun actually using this palette here. It comes with a little brush here. You have your spoolie and you have another eyebrow pencil to help you define your look. They give you a great little eyebrow tutorial about how to use the stencils. You do get 3 different stencils in here to use, which I think is really cool. I would say the eyebrow tips that they gave you were great. Like, start with clean brows, then select your stencil shape that fits your brows, fill in your brows, and use the powders and a brush to kind of fill them in. And then it says use the defining pencil to create the arch of your brows, and finish off with your brush tool to clean up your brows. And I always say when you're using the stencils, my tip to you is always have like a napkin ready so you can wipe the stencil off before you go to the next side. That way you're not having excess makeup transfer on where you don't want it transferred. And I will always say also to use like a Q-tip, because sometimes you could do easy cleanup work if you found out that it went a little too far one way, or you had makeup that kind of bled over a little bit more than a stencil. You could use your Q-tip to clean that up. But this was very easy to work with. I think the powders really give you a nice natural finish. I normally use a pomade, so this is the first time I actually used a powder, but I really enjoyed like how it came out. I thought this was really a great tool for those of us on the go, want great looking brows, and your tails have fallen off like mine have, just due to getting older. And that's a natural course of life. So, you know, now you have the brow kit here to kind of bring yourself back into a more defined, edgy look and have your face so defined, and that makes you look younger. So kudos to this brow product. I thought it was great to work with, so I enjoyed using it. And then we also got another makeup item, guys. I couldn't believe it. We got a eyeshadow palette. You know your girl love eyeshadow. Love eyeshadow. I think it's so much fun to play with these palettes. So the eyeshadow palette we got is called Mocha Magic Eyeshadow Palette. The eyeshadow palette is valued at $35. Embrace your beauty and let the eyes tell a story as captivating as you are. Whether you're crafting for the office, lunch with friends, or a night out, the Mocha Magic Eyeshadow Palette offers 9 neutral shades for endless possibilities to express yourself. So guys, I went ahead and gave y'all a quick look at me using this palette to create today's look. I used 3 of the colors here. What did I use? I started out with Cocoa Queen, and then I moved on to, what did I do? Honey Dip. And then I finished it off with Soulful Sands. So I found the colors really popped. I did use a eyeshadow primer as my base before I started, which was off camera, just to make sure that it pops and it stays on. I really wanted to show the actual eyeshadow beauty in itself. So I went ahead and did the outer corners with that Cocoa Queen, and then did the inner portion of my eyelid with the Honey Dip, and then kind of blended them out a bit to each other. And then I finished off with the Soulful Sands on the, going from the inner to the mid portion of my eyelid, and then blended that out a little bit. So I thought the eyeshadows really they worked. Now there was a bit of fallout. That could have been my fault because I couldn't remember if I was tapping off or not, and I did have a bit of fallout when I got to the Soulful Sands color. So that could have been me. That could have been me. But I'm just saying, just make sure you tapping off. But I had fun with the palette. I thought it was fun. I am glad they put a makeup, 2 makeup products in one box, which I really thought was great. So we have the eyeshadow, we had a brow. I thought they went hand in hand with each other based on they're both something you will use to definitely set off your look and your face. I had fun working with both of them, as you guys can see, and I did create today's look using both of those 2 items in our box. So I thought that was fun to kind of show you guys how I use it. And I'm a person, I do my eyeshadow, I really have no plan. I just go with whatever kind of speaks to me at that moment. So I'm just showing you guys how I kind of threw it together and just went from there. So let's go to our next item. The next item's in our box. So look at this, guys. We got a robe. What? So we have a robe, guys. This is a pretty plush fleece robe. There was 1 of 4 prints, and this robe is valued at $55. So it says, our fleece robes are like a warm embrace from the rich tapestry of cultures, crafted with double shielded brushed polar fleece, and it feels so soft and warm. It does feel so soft and warm. Oh yes. Somebody must have been listening to my videos, because I definitely got purple, so you guys know I am excited about that. I love a good fleece robe. Let me kind of undo this so I can show you guys the full print. They have it racked up so nicely. I almost hate to undo it. It looked like a little pillow. So this is the actual print that's on my actual robe, as you can see, and it's very nice and cozy. It does have a little pocket here, and the collar here. Very fun print, definitely. Let me see if I can get up and show you some of this with the robe on. Let's see. So guys, the robe comes with a robe tie here, and it does have the little hooks for the robe tie. We do got a pocket. It is nice and cozy, by the way. Very nice and cozy. One can always use another robe. Mine is in a size large. It does stop about mid-calf on me. But yeah, this is nice and cozy. I like it. So this is nice. I love this. So this again is valued at $55, and this is a fleece robe with the robe tie here. So you can close it off and tie it up. So guys, the robe did come in 3 other colors, as you guys can see up here. We have the colors for the robe. What do they have here? I'm looking. It doesn't say what the colors names are. No, it doesn't say. It doesn't say the names of the. I was trying to see if I could just tell you what the color options were, but I don't see it. So we're just gonna keep rolling. So we have one thing left in our box. Let me move my robe. We have our t-shirt of the month. So as you guys know, we get a t-shirt every month in this box. The t-shirt is valued at $25. And in the theme of color purple, I see that we have something that is purple. So it says, Hoppo! Who this woman? Off of the movie. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. How awesome is that? So you could have 3 shirts here as the options of which you could have received. So there's one that says Sealy and Nettie, Sophia, and Shug, which is the top dark purple one. And then there's Harper, who's this woman, which I have. And then there is one here that has, all my life I had to fight. Like another phrase off the movie, which I think is awesome. So I know some of you guys probably already went and seen the Color Purple movie that came out on Christmas Day. I have not seen it. I like to wait till the crowd thin out a bit, because I don't like being in there like, you know, shoulder to shoulder with other people in the movie theater. I like to have a little space. So I was going to wait a bit for it to go, and you know, some of the hype to roll down a bit, then I show up to the theater to watch it. But I heard it was really, really good. So I can't wait to see it. I'm not sure how well I'm gonna do with all the singing. I like singing. I like musicals, but I mean, I heard it's a lot of singing. So I hope I enjoy it. I'm sure I will. But guys, so in review, our box, we have our t-shirt of the month. We had, which is $25, by the way. So I got Harper, Who This Woman. And then I have our eyeshadow palette this month, which is Mocha Magic Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $35. We have the Izzy and Liv. We have the Incredible Brow Kit, valued at $25. And we have our calendar, which is my favorite part always for the end of the year, valued at $14. And we have our robe that I tossed over here. valued at $55. The pretty plush fleece robe in one of 4 prints. So guys, I thought this was a really good box to finish out the year. What did you guys think? I thought this was awesome. I'm like so hyped. Like, I actually used the products they sent so I could show you guys, and I really like this box. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you did pick this box up, what did you get? Did you like the color robe that you got, and what tea did you get? I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. But hey guys, we're finishing off the year. I would like to say Happy New Year to all of you. I wish you a year full of abundance, health, and wealth for 2024. And for those of you who have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I do like to show you guys what I'm picking up in my subscription boxes, as well as when I'm shopping. I like to show you guys some of the things that I'm picking up as well, and just share that with you here on this channel. If you enjoy those kind of things, you enjoy unboxings, you enjoy watching me unbox some of the things I'm purchasing, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. It will let you know when I post. But until our next video, guys, I will catch you on a new one. Happy New Year!